Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be doing some BTS unboxings. So let's get to it. Alright, so there's a couple things coming. So I am not exactly sure what is going to be in here today. This is from, okay, it's all the new Japanese releases. CD Japan, Map of the Soul 7. The Journey. So what do we have here? We got two of these. Very cool. Let's see, what exactly are these? I don't remember what it is I bought. I bought everything. So, it's like a little carrying case, notebook. Not sure what they call this. It's pretty cool. Since I got two, so I ordered the version A, B, C, D, and regular, and I think A and D, the DVD and the Blu-ray came with these as well, I believe. Alright, so let's just first take a quick look at see what we have going on here. Oh yeah, I think it came with, each A and D came with the regular discs. I think these are both regulars. This is 2-disc CD and DVD. This is CD and 56-page photo booklet type B. This is the CD and 56-page booklet type A. And this is the 2-disc CD and Blu-ray type A. Let's get cracking. Let's open it up. Let's just see what one of these simple CDs is like. If you pay attention, maybe you'll figure it out better. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, cool. Okay, it's clear. I like the flower work. That's cool. I make these things so hard to get out. Let's take a look at this booklet. My code, which I'm going to cut out. Ooh, yeah. I got the J-Hope. J-Hope card. Super happy with that. Put that right there. Ah, yes, I like when they put all the lyrics. I obviously can't speak, in this case, Japanese. Just a little bit. Took 2 years of Japanese, but man, it's a tough language. Especially when you get into all the symbolic stuff. It gets a lot harder. Lights. Oh, lights is on this too. It's not just a single. Okay. Your Eyes Tell. I believe that's the one Jungkook wrote. Surprised they don't have the information about who wrote what. Is this what this is? Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh yeah. We got some P-Dog on Idol and Dionysus and Airplane Part 2. Boy with Love. Man, P-Dog. You're my favorite non-BTS BTS member. That's for sure. Fake Love, P-Dog, On, P-Dog. He's just producing so much great stuff. Yeah, Your Eyes Tell with Jungkook. Nice. Very cool. Can't wait to listen to this. their official, all their different official stuff. Very cool. So that's just the CD. Oh, yeah, I like to keep my things together with where they came. So put that back in there. That means we're gonna check the next one out. All right, here's the other CD. This is gonna be all the same stuff, so I'm really looking for the RM card. Nice. So, first one I got my bias, second one I got my wife's bias. That's great already. So, let's see what we have now on the DVDs. Alright, let's open the DVDs. I think this is the DVD. Usually they make the white ones, the Blu-ray. So, very cool. I like the feel. Yeah, this is this is the Blu-ray and this is the dark one. Okay. Switching it up a little bit. Kind of going that Beatles motif after everybody's been calling them Beatles. What do we got here? It's cool. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, very cool. We got a booklet. So we got the CD. We got the Blu-ray. Oh, on the back is the chairs. Let's check out this booklet. Okay. So we're going to get all the lyrics like we got before. This is going to be the same. Oh, here we go. Alright, so we got Jungkook looking kind of somber. They're going with a little more serious side. On the stage. Their favorite place. Yeah, it looks like this version is just like a simple version. We saw the credits before. Yeah, so it looks like this version with the Blu-ray comes with the simple book with just pictures of each 7. So this one though is the 56-page version, Photobook version. So let's take a look at what we see different here. So comparing them, you can see different cover, different back. Is this the same? Can't quite exactly remember. Oh yeah, okay, it looks like it is. So not too much change on that piece. Just the CD. But now we should get a much more thick photo book. So let's check this out. We've got the usual lyrics. Here we go. Some different Jungkook. Still the same styling. Gets its own titling. Okay, so they each get their own kind of title page. Friends. J-Hope. So it looks like they just kind of flesh it out a little bit. Looks like they've kind of just added, a page with the title in between though. So, okay, we're starting to get more group photos. The binding's hard. You got V and Jimin there in the binding. friends. J-Hope. Yeah, get a little more fleshed out pictures in the same credits. Cool. So in that one, we just have the CD as the type. I believe this is the type A setup. So those were excellent. Very cool. Now we get into the type Bs. So this look, they're going for much more brighter, fun look. You got the splashing water. Good summertime. I like that. That looks cool. Kind of reminds me of something out of Adventure Time or something. So, let's check out this one. So this is just the Blu-ray. So this is not the Photobook version. Oh, nice. I really like the colors in this. They're really vibrant and nice. Oh, there's that graphic you saw on the CD and stuff. It's now fleshed out in color here. That's cool. So, let's see here. That's what you see on the opening. That's cool. Big eyes there. I like that. Kind of looks like a watermelon with the green and red. So now this version is white. And yeah, definitely much more colorful. These are really cool. I like these. I like both versions, but the color is really nice on the eyes. You know, we got the usual lyrics. Here we go. Got some spray painting Jungkook. Some teal blue spray can. Looks like he sprayed his hair. So they're doing that same thing where they've got the kind of like a title page and then a picture. Yeah, title page and picture and then a transition. It's a nice format. Kind of going from blue to the pink background. Now they got the purple background for J-Hope. Is this can purple too? Yeah, they color coordinate it. It's funny they didn't give purple to V. You'd think they would have done it that way. Jen, he goes more into the red orange, it looks like. Jen, such a funny guy. Ah, Sugar, they got more on the orange yellow look. Looking all hip hop. RM. Got the 90s jeans and chain wallet look. It's an interesting perspective for that shot. He's got black paint. There's the team. Yeah, they all got slightly different hair colors in this one. Some more Jungkook. Some more V. So then they just kind of do another set of each. That's kind of nice. I like all these vibrant backgrounds. Oh, this is really cool. It's a really cool type. Sugar. His foot looked like it was up on a block. Looks kind of funny. I like the white outlining they have. You know, green screened it, but I like that they did it with the white outlining. It's cool. And the credits as usual. So that's cool. That's the version with just the CD. As you can kind of see there, slightly different art again. Oh, that's cool too. So far, my favorite is the Photobook Type B. I like that one. So let's check this one out. So I do want to do a comparison. Are these... Oh, they are different. So the black ones are probably different too. I'm just gonna double check. We got chairs, and we got okay, they're different. Ratmon's leaning back there, he's not here. So they're like the same concept on these ones, but just different poses. And this one though, they're actually quite a bit different. This one's cool. Yeah, those are cool styles. So this one, okay, so this one I get a sticker like I got on the other one. So that's cool. So this, we have the CD and DVD. So let's take a look, jump in, and I wonder if you just get that sticker and you don't get the get a photo card. So we got different poses, but just simple 2 frames per person. Looks like they're using the same color palette, yeah, for each person. Makes sense, the pants match. They probably had planned that all in advance. So yeah, it looks like, looks like in these ones I didn't get any photo cards. Wait, the photo cards weren't in here either. The photo cards were only in the CDs. So, I suppose if you really want a photo card, you should just get one of the CDs. But if you want the Photobooks and all that, you know, take your choice. I'd say I like B. I like B, of course, probably with the actual comes with the Blu-ray, just because then you have the Blu-ray as well. Put this one in backwards. Okay, so that's the CD. So yeah, there you are. There's the brand new Japanese release. I'm excited to hear Your Eyes Tell, Jungkook's song, and yeah, excited to kind of hear how they all sound. Loving Stay Gold so far. And I love Crystal Snow and a lot of their other Japanese releases. Don't sleep on Stars. Alright. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, hopefully you wanted to see this before you actually chose an option. Yeah, I'd say if you're gonna go with the option, I like B, but tell me below what you liked best. Alright, talk to you soon.